Hello people and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing drink for this season. So let's get started. So here I have taken sugar as per your taste, 2 scoops of ice cream, then 2 big spoons of Bournvita, 7 to 8 Bournvita biscuits, 2 cups of milk and Hershey's, which is optional. So now first take the biscuits and add them in the mixer. Then take the powder and the sugar. Now take little bit of milk and put it in the mixer so I can mix properly. So now grind it. Check in between if the mixture is mixed properly. Yes, it is done. So now we are going to add rest of the milk. Now again mix it. So at this point we are going to add the ice cream. This is going to be really yummy. So now mix it again. So now it is done. So we are going to take it out and put it in a serving glass. But before that, you can decorate it with Hershey's. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to take the Hershey's and I'm going to like this, see it like this. Like this we will decorate the glass. So now I'm going to take it out and pour it. So now add a little bit of ice cream in the top. So here the refreshing drink is ready. Thank you people for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell notification icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you can get notified. See you later. Bye.